Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Chainlink once again. Thank you for your support. I really do appreciate it, okay? Thank you for your support across the board. I really do appreciate the level of support that the channel gets, okay? There's a team of us that's involved in the CoinsKid community, okay? Running the Telegram, the Patreon. My partner, she runs the Instagram. So if you can message me on there. She'll relay the messages if you want to contact me on there. The Twitter. The Patreon, there's a Discord server that we're all in there and involved in as well, so it's all good. So right now Chainlink is looking relatively healthy, okay? I gave you your breakdown targets, and right now it's breaking out key levels of resistance. One of those most important key levels of resistance is on the weekly time frame, the 20 EMA, okay? So you're looking golden here at the moment for a nice bit of a recovery. You have got levels of resistance above, okay? See this 050 at $27. If you can break above that, you're getting above a really key level of resistance, which invalidates the cap bounce. Now if you can break above the technical target, okay, which is we are in a technical target. I'm going to show you that in a minute. If you caught the other Chainlink update the other day, wow, it's absolutely melting faces. It's breaking out of our targets and all the target. I think it was a 40% trade. I'm not quite sure. I can't remember, but it's looking good. It's looking golden, but you're not completely out of the woods yet. I've told you the scenarios, the dead cat bounce. You can run into the golden ratio as well and roll back and enter a bear market here for Chainlink. And if you do, this is your bear market bottom down here. In the previous video I said to you that usually alts correct that much and you could be looking at a $2 Chainlink token again if we do enter the bear, but there's no sign of the bear at the minute. We've held a key level structural support and we're looking good and golden for continuation in this bull market. Okay, so far so good. Chainlink is doing really well. It's picking up. It's a 1 2 3 4 green weeks at the moment. You're getting above a key level of resistance. You are in a technical target. So I'm not going to call it, but if you do start to see Chainlink get to a technical target, you are actually breaking above the golden ratio at $31.92 just here, okay? So that's golden. Now there is a chap on YouTube that I do follow, and I'm going to drop a link to him in this video, okay? Please do head over to his channel. His name's Chase, and he runs a channel called 5 Day Crypto. He's a brilliant guy. I'm going to bring him on the CoinsKid show. CoinsKid show, so I'll call it CoinsKid show. I'm going to bring him on the channel one day, and we're going to talk about charts and stuff like that. He's really good, okay? Just go to him. Get involved in his community right there and follow him on Twitter as well. You can tell he's a genuine product, okay, and he's just putting out there his information. There's no bullshit, no spiel, and he talks about all sort of different channels. He actually raised this particular signal to me. I'd never heard of this before, the Gaussian channel. I watched one of his videos and this was really cool. This is a really good indicator. You've seen me use it on Bitcoin, okay, and a lot of other projects. Now right now you can see that when Chainlink falls into the Gaussian, it acts as a key level of support on the median line. You see that? But if we go to the 5-day time frame, which is what he likes to use, look at the 5-day on the Gaussian, you can see that literally Chainlink bounced off the bottom of it. Do you see that as a level of support? And you're getting back above the medium line. Okay, so this is his little signal. He brought this to my attention. 5-day crypto. Do definitely get involved in his channel right there. And you can see we're coming up. If we could break this level of resistance at 050, and we break the golden ratio at 31.92, and we get to a technical target, which I gave you. Okay, I will remind you of it in a minute. You're looking golden here. There are, you have got levels of resistance in front of you. I'm not going to lie to you that you do need to see broken, because if you do hit your head on them, you could roll, and I've given you support. If you do start to see Chainlink come down now and lose 13.27, that is the bear market confirmation statement right there, okay? So yeah, the 5-day Gaussian is holding up really well, isn't it, as a key level support, and this is what you want to see. If you start falling out of the Gaussian on the 5-day, that in itself is a big bear market signal, and you can see, look, this is the lower band of the Gaussian coming up here. So I'm not calling a spade. I'm just showing you what I know and see. So right now, if we was to fall out the Gaussian at this point, get rejected and roll again, that's your bear market, and that's a confirmation because you're also losing the Gaussian on the 5-day time frame. Okay, so at a bare minimal, if Chainlink did fall out this Gaussian, say by the end of August, we had a massive correction here. That's your bear market confirmation, and at that point you would be looking at a multi-year bear market, and you would be looking at a $2 Chainlink token right there. So always going to say what I say, but always going to show you what I see, okay? But so far so good. Chainlink is doing really well, okay? And thank you to Chase. I think that's his name. I'm sorry if I've got it wrong. I'm sure it's Chase. Thank you for bringing the Gaussian channel to my attention. It's such a little cool indicator that I've never even heard of before. So credit is where credit's due. Do check him out. I'll drop a link in this video video. Okay, so right now, yeah, we're breaking above the look at this on the day. It's a 5-day. Let's jump back to the day, to the daily. Wow, look, you know, in the previous video I did say to you, on the cusp of falling a bullish cross here, buy and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid, and if we can hold it as structural support, look, we've come down, almost wicked off this 20 here, hold it as structural support. Wow, that's your buy and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid, because they do not happen every day. You've got your sell and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid, your lost support, technical target met of the rising wedge, which I gave you, and right now you can see that the last time that Chainlink formed a bullish cross, look, you had a little in out down here, look, a little in out in this, I remember that's December, you had a little rollover. Last time you had a bullish cross, a buy and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid, Chainlink actually went on from that point and appreciated a whopping 337%. So I'm not saying it will, but say it does. Let's say from this point we go on another 333% for Chainlink. Let's move this down a little bit. Let's see where we are. 333%. You're looking at the 1414, aren't you, at $100? But to be honest with you, if we break up above this golden ratio right now, we do have a target that's a little bit higher than that, to be honest with you. Just a full clarification, we are actually in a technical target right now, which I did give you in a previous update. Okay, so let me show you this right now for Chainlink. If right now we get to the technical target for Chainlink, which is this falling wedge, you see, look, where you come down, you fell over and you created the high, the low, the high, the low, like that. You've broken out the wedge, falling wedge. It's a reversal pattern. You're coming back up. You're holding a golden cross, a buy and go to the beach signal. If you start to come up and get to the technical target, which is this white line, you're breaking through the 050, the golden ratio, and you're basically forming a big impulsive wave here, a reversal wave up to where you came from, yeah, just there. And then with that, you've got the extension up here to the 1618 or $132 for Chainlink. So it's looking good, it's looking golden, but it's not going to get there overnight. You are going to come up against resistance, okay? And these are your primary levels of resistance, you know. And there is still, I'm not going to lie to you, I'm not going to feed you no bullshit, I'll never give you any bullshit on this channel. There is still the possibility of a bear market here for crypto and for Chainlink, you know, because you could roll here. You could run into the resistance of the 050, you could run into the resistance of the golden ratio and roll and lose this key level of support down here and fall out of the 5-day Gaussian and enter the bear market. But so far you've come down in a corrective wave and you're looking for continuation after testing key levels of support, okay? And it really is that simple. Lose support, go short, bear market, $2 Chainlink token, break these levels of resistance right there, and you're creating a higher probability of coming up to $132 on the next impulsive wave up in this bull market for Chainlink before it retraces and hopefully takes another leg up in the bull market. To them 1k Chainlink people out there, it could actually be possible moving forward, but I will cover that in a different update. Please do follow Chase, okay? Please do get involved in his channel. I'm definitely going to get him on here and talk to him about crypto and his knowledge of charting and stuff like that. You know, just head over to his channel. So yeah, you do need to see the levels of support, and i.e. the golden cross right here, because like I said to you, when you're above these EMAs, especially on the daily, which you are right now, and you can retain these EMAs as support, this is your uptrend, my friend. And like I said to you, the trend is your friend until the end. Break the trend and make a new friend. Look, sell and go to the beach, downtrend, you know, break up, buy and go to the beach, uptrend. The trend is your friend until the end. Break these levels of resistance, you're looking absolutely golden here. Hold support of these EMAs, really, really important. If you start to lose that and you see a roll, then that in itself is a precursor to a bear market without even actually losing this low, because you're too close to the low to start rolling here, okay? Oh, and sorry, just to add, basically, we did give you this trade. I always try to remember, you know, remind people, when you broke this level of resistance just here, you had a technical target to come up to this white line, and that in itself is a whopping 100% trade right there that was given to you, okay? So far, you are up on this trade. On Chainlink, you're currently up 49%, so it's looking really good at the moment. You're halfway there, halfway there. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.